Hey, my name is Casper, and in the next couple of minutes, I'm just going to show you really quickly how you can get started with First Book AI and kind of take you through the full process from idea to final book. So it's really easy, quite actually. So you just go to the top bar here, get started for free, and then we've created initial steps for you to get started with your first book. So you kind of just follow different steps here. So first off, let's get here, and then we say, okay, what's the primary goal and purpose of your book? So in this case, I want to guide. What's my target audience? Let's say it's middle managers. What's the brief description of your book? Okay, let's say I want to help business professionals hands-on effectivity tools, which is a topic I think is interesting, to work smarter. Okay. Do you have a tentative title or working on mine? Okay, this I cheated a bit. I kind of like this title, The Modern 80-20 Way of Working. What key problem or question will your book address? Many modern workers are becoming less effective and are stuck in doing a lot of low value work, for instance. Okay, so this is a brief example for you guys. So let's say go to content, style, and tone. I want the detail of this book. I want it to be, let's say, introductory. I want it to be more of a conversational writing style. Okay, so in this case, you could supercharge your book outline, meaning that it's just going to be a lot more detailed and a lot easier for you to get started. In this case, for the example, I'm just going to say no thanks and stick to the free version. Okay, then submit it. Boom. Okay, so we're getting started already. So now I'm going to send all the information for this book outline to your email. Okay, so I found the email now here for me. So, hey, Casper, future author. And then there's the book outline for the book. Okay, so we're going to have 8 main chapters and 3 sub-chapters within, which is the usual structure of a business book. And then we say, okay, create my book, different books. Okay, here we have it. Okay, so the modern 80-20 ways of working. So just created this one, okay? Okay, so here's my book outline that we just created and you just saw in the email. So what I can do now is that I can choose to edit it if I want to change, for instance, the book title or the book outline, the different chapters and so on. Don't worry, if you save the changes and our system doesn't agree with it, we're going to send it back after we reviewed it. So I think this looks fine. So I'm just going to open up the book again and then say, okay, create book. And then you just follow the payment steps for creating the book. Okay, so here we have the final book. Don't worry, it usually takes a few minutes for us to generate the book. We'll let you know in your email once it's done so you can log in straight to the app again. Okay. And then we can say, what preferred format do I want? Okay, I can use the Google Docs. You can have a Word, you can have it a PDF. So I'm just going to show you a full book here. So here we have an example of the modern 80-20 way of working. So we have the different chapters here. You can also see this is just Google Docs, all the different chapters, right? So you can see it's quite scaled. Usually this is for the final parts of the book. And that's really essential. And that is what we have worked a lot on with this engine to help you guys. You can also have it in the PDF format. It's the same. So it's pretty much good to go if you already just want to send that to one of your clients, or you want to perhaps you want to work with a bit more in Google Docs. That's perfectly fine. So this was really fast about how you went from idea to final book. And yeah, I think let us know if you have any comments or you need help with anything. But yeah, we're super excited to help you get started with your first book. Reach out to us if you have any questions, and good luck with your writing.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check lifetime deal link in the description below.